Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. As always, I want to first remind you to enjoy. E-N-J-O-Y. Enjoy is our Make It Happen Monday mantra, as well as our go-to acronym. E, eat real food in 12 hours or less daily. N, nurture your microbiome. J, join me in moving daily. O, optimize your breathing. And Y, yes to restorative sleep. Today's tip falls into both the eat real food and the nurture your microbiome directives, because I am featuring a yummy new fermented food that is now widely available in standard grocery outlets. Fermented cottage cheese. This is cottage cheese with live probiotic cultures. It is extra creamy and delicious, simply scrumptious, and comes with the incredible healing power of fermented foods. If you're not eating fermented foods regularly, I urge you to do so. These microbe-enhanced goodies are in a league of their own for building better health. Here are two brands that I found that are broadly available. I have no brand loyalty. I just want you to know that these are the only two, frankly, in my area I have found. The Good Culture and the Nancy's. Again, scrumptious, delicious. I encourage you to try it, and because we're always looking for more opportunities to, take in more fermented foods, and a little bit goes a long way. I am delighted to share that in celebration of the holidays and our 3-year anniversary of the Healthy Living School, yay, we are offering a never-before special to our followers. We're bundling 2 of our most popular e-courses at a discount, Just Say What to Inflammation and How to Prepare Healthy Starches. And for those who take advantage of this once-in-a-blue-moon offer, we're giving you 2 additional spots, totally free. Yes, if you get the 2-course bundle for yourself or for a loved one, you get 2 additional seats to give away at no additional cost to a friend or loved ones. It's a buy 1, get 2 free deal. My Just Say Whoa to Inflammation offers one of the most life-giving and life-saving of all messages, because inflammation is the primary driver of most all medical conditions. In the course, I share all the diet and lifestyle steps a person can take to put out the fire of inflammation that is ravaging the health and the vitality of so many people. And my How to Prepare Healthy Starches Kitchen e-course is the perfect companion to the anti-inflammatory message, because the wrong starches are potent drivers of inflammation and the right starches are some of the most delicious anti-inflammatory foods. Together, these courses will give you the why, the how, and the inspiration to truly empower your healthy living journey. Simply click the links below this video or in your Make It Happen Monday email to get all of the details on each of these pivotal e-courses, as well as the details on this special holiday gift deal. Remember, one of the greatest gifts we can give is the gift of better health.